11 over 12 minus 3 over 4. Let's take a look at the denominators. First, what you're supposed to do, you have to divide 4 into 12. Now, in other words, 12 is evenly divisible by 4, okay? Okay, so I can say that the common denominator for this problem is 12. Okay, because common denominator has to be evenly divisible by 12 and evenly divisible by 4. Okay, by what number I have to multiply 12 to get 12? You have to multiply by 1. Whatever you did in the denominator, you have to do also in the numerator. Times 1. 11 times 1 gives me 11. By what number I have to multiply 4 to get 12? I have to multiply by 3. Whatever I did in the denominator, I have to also do in the numerator. Times 3. 3 times 3 gives me 9. Okay, I'm going to copy the equivalent fractions to these fractions into my equation. I have 11 over 12 minus 9 over 12. I have common denominator. If I have common denominator, I can subtract the numerators. 11 minus 9 is 2 over 12. Please notice that 2 and 12, both of these numbers are divisible by 2. That's why I'm going to reduce this fraction by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 12 divided by 2 is 6. This is the solution to my problem.